Dear students, today we are going to discuss on generic product development process, which could be used for new product development. This particular session, we are going to see what is process. A process is a sequence of steps that transforms a set of inputs into a set of outputs. A product development process is a sequence of steps or activities that an enterprise employs to conceive, design, and commercialize a product. The overview of this generic product development process, it begins with the planning phase, linking with the advanced research and technology development activities. The output of the planning phase is the project's mission statement required to begin the concept development and serves as a guide throughout this process. And the conclusion of the product development process is going to be a launch of a product, at which time the product becomes available for purchase in the marketplace. There are 6 phases are there in this particular product development process. Starts with planning phase, then followed by concept development, system level design, detailed design, testing and refinement, and production ramp up. Let us see each phase little deeper. Planning phase, it proceeds with project approval and the launch of the actual product development process. It begins with the corporate strategy and included with assessment of technology developments and market objectives. The output is a project mission statement which specifies the target market for the product and also mentions the goals of a business and assumptions to be followed and also the constraints. The way how it could be formulated as a mission statement having target market for the product and business goals and key assumptions and the constraints. So this is a work which could be carried out by a phase planning. Coming to the next phase called as a concept development phase, where it starts with the planning phase, delivery of this mission statement. From there, the needs of the target market is identified and deriving the alternative products concepts and evaluating them. One or more concepts could be selected for further development and testing. What is meant by concept? Concept means is a description of a form or a function or a features of a product and is usually accompanied by a set of specifications, an analysis of competitive products, and an economic justification of the project. So there, the way how you bring out lot more concepts, and from there you require to scrutinize the concepts and again go for testing the concepts, and thereafter you are going to make that concept to be compared across in the market by competitive products and giving justification why do we need to go for that particular concept to be chosen as a further development. The third phase is called a system level design, which is also named as embodiment design. It includes the definition of a product architecture and the decomposition of the product into subsystems and components. The final assembly scheme for the production system is defined. The output includes geometric layout of the product, a functional specification of each of the product subsystems, and a preliminary process flow diagram for the final assembly process. So here it is going to take care about your architectural planning, it could be configurational planning, embodiment, and thereafter like a parametric design, which could be discussed in your 5th module. Coming to the detailed design, it is the 4th phase of generic product development process. It includes complete specification of the geometry, material, and tolerances of all unique parts in the product, and identification of the standard parts to be procured, purchased from the suppliers. Then it needs to make ready the production process by providing the process plan and tooling needed for each part to be fabricated within the production system. And the output of this detailed design is going to be a controlled documentation for the product drawings, computer files, describing the geometry of each part and its production tooling, the specifications of the purchased products, and the process plans for the fabrication and assembly of the product. There are two critical issues to be addressed in detailed design. One is about the cost of the production. Second one is about its performance. Coming to the fifth phase, which is named as testing and refinement. It involves the construction and evaluation of multiple pre-production versions of the product. Early alpha prototypes, which are usually built and tested to determine whether the product will work as designed and whether the product satisfies the key customer benefits. Later, beta prototypes are getting built with parts supplied by intended production process, but may not be assembled using the intended final assembly process, and extensively evaluated internally and are also typically tested by customers in their own use environment. The sixth phase of generic product development process is named as production ramp up. The product is made by using the intended production system. The purpose of this particular phase is to train the workforce and to work out any remaining problems are there in the production process. The transition from the production ramp up to ongoing production is going to be gradual. At some point of this transition, the product is launched and becomes available for widespread distribution. As we could come across, there are totally 6 phases of generic product development process, starting with planning phase, where you will try to take out the corporate objectives, and then you are able to make out a mission statement based on incorporating your objectives, your assumptions, and your constraints together. And coming into the second phase of this product development process is its concept development, where you are able to use this mission statement as an input and try to develop, generate more and more concepts, and thereafter you are able to see how far the concept is going to be cross-checked or verified and tested, scrutinized, and thereafter like you require to send it for the further process of system level design. In system level design, it's going to be taking care about the macro level design of entire product and trying to distribute with the form of schematic layout, how the products are going to be developed, how it needs to be sticking on to the delivery dates, and what other things intended process needs to be carried out will be taken care by the system level design. Thereafter, a specific production tooling, documentation, control documentation, including about how to make it, what tolerances needs to be used, what material needs to be used, okay, with to the dimensions are going to be provided by the detailing design in the form of manufacturing document. After getting this as an input, the testing and refinement phase will be initiated with either by providing alpha prototype for initial pre-production versions and getting cross-checked with to what extent you are able to satisfy the needs, and thereafter again entering into beta prototype with the intended production process, but not going across the actual product assembly process, and trying to again give it to the customer also to use that particular prototype in their use environment and trying to get the feedback from there. Wherever is required, again doing some sort of refinements could be possible in that particular testing and refinement. Thereafter, it enters into the last phase where we call it as a production ramp up. In that, the product is going to be made by intended production system totally, and you are going to use this phase for training your workforce, training your the remaining any problems are there in the particular production process to be nullified, and trying to get transition from this production ramp up to online production or ongoing production with a slowly moving towards to that. At any point of time, it will be ready for getting into the actual production. So that is the thing what we could see here, and I already summarized about the process of this generic product development, and